everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show stockinett stitch. This is the stockinett stitch, the very basic stitch, and we using only knit and purl, and we can take any numbers of the stitches, and we follow two rows. First row is knitting and second row is purling. It's very easy and you can take any numbers of stitch. I'll show it to you how to do this pattern. I have cast on I have already cast on 10 stitches and it's easy. You need to do, first row is knitting, like this. It's very easy. Knitting, and we don't need to count actually. And then we need to do purl all the row. Then I do another strip. Again I need knit stitches. It's very easy. Knit all the row. Other side, this is the knit side. Other side you need to purl. Purl side is very easy to find. It's very bumpy, and but it's the knit side. It's like this. Okay. I will come back with more rows. After few rows, it's look like this. This back side like this, and front like. We use this one is very much because this one is the basic stitch and we use most of our works for these stitches. This is the basic one.